So now I'm on the Tor DVLA road, and as you can see, it's burning at two different points. You can see two thick smokes over there. Look here, it's not far from Tema Oil Refinery. It's not far from Tema Oil Refinery. Now people are running helter-skelter for their life. Look at that. Cars are moving, everybody's running away. Look at that. You see? They don't move. People are just running away. Bankers are out. Businesses have stopped. Look, this lady. Hey lady, why are you running away? Wow, indeed, this is serious. It's just about 500 meters to Tema Oil Refinery, and you can see the reservoirs of Tema Oil Refinery over there. That's the reservoir of the Tema Oil Refinery. And there are so many tankers packed here, most probably with fuel, with petrol, explosive chemicals. They are all here. They are all here, and you can see. Now people are running helter-skelter. People are moving their cars and they are driving recklessly. Everybody is in a state of panic. They are driving recklessly. People are running helter-skelter. It is serious. The fire service people should take caution and come around. You can see a thick smoke like cloud, like rain clouds forming. This is a thick smoke. As you can see, this is not rain clouds, but it's the smoke from the fire. Very close to Tema Oil Refinery. This is very close to Tema Oil Refinery. Very close to Tema Oil Refinery.